Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Thursday, but after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. Great movement today, not only from the price point of view, but you look down there at the volume, and volume just got that much more explosive. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one going into the weekend. So let's get some things updated. The first update I'm going to do is adjust this level of support upwards. So the first observation there is that whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher, that's definitely a good sign. So like I said, I'm going to adjust this level up of support up to here, which is now what I would call the newest area of support at 0.013, and I'd call that the ideal. Meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally speaking, if the price can stay above 0.013, that would be great. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below that level, then that implies everything's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, as I talked about on Thursday. So keyword there being moving. And as next week plays out, that line is just going to move itself higher and higher. So the very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, this right here is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 0.013 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as the sellers, nothing fancy or complicated here. Price tried on essentially 4 separate occasions to get up there through that level at 0.0155. So 0.0155, key area of resistance going forward. But resistance levels really don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters the most is what the price has been doing and continues to do, and that is that right there, just building those higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given it enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. But overall, a great week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.